Yeah, part two of replacing transmission line and 2008 Volkswagen Passat. There's a lot of steps to this. They want you to in this video, I'm trying to say they want you to take off the radiator support and remove all of that stuff. Quite possible the AC lines also, and then recover the system, which I don't want to do. So I tried to get it out by shortcutting it. I finally get the pipe out, but for replace it back now it's gonna be a challenge. So this is keyless. Stick with me, keep watching, and I'll see what I can do to get this line back in this car. Right now I have the pipe which I ordered from new Volkswagen parts in California, and it's here. So let's see what we can do. That's the line right here, the new transmission line right here, and it goes through here. It goes through here. See, I kind of temporarily blocked the line so I could move the car. So I had to drill a hole right out in here and drill another little one right there, so I could take the bolt out and the bracket. So I drilled that hole where I could get that bolt and see through there. And then we're gonna have to try and get the line back through here some kind of way, because it have to go up in here. I don't know if you can see it, but it has to go back up in here, one end of it, and then the other end goes to these two hoses right here. But as I said, I temporarily hooked into them so I could move the car right now. Then I had to put a brand new starter in this week too also. So let's see what we can do to get these lines in. Hopefully we can get them in there. Alright, so now these are the lines, and see how we're gonna get them up there. Some kind of way we have to get them up there. Alright, I'm gonna try and get out these clips right in here and up in there, and then see if I can just make some movements on this thing. Yeah, see the pipes through there, because I'm not moving this, and these things look rotten and old. I don't want to break no radiator nor the condenser or nothing, because you know, once you start moving these things, you know what I call. Right there. Yeah. Get this out. Over here. Through here. I know I have more room. This is kicking my, you know what, this thing is really rough and hard to get through this spot. Fuck. Dude, let's go. This pipe replaced now, but it gave me hell. I didn't even video this because it was just too much work getting in there. Yeah, and go there. Now I get it in, but it's been a too much work, man, to video that. Now the lining, and I paint the whole thing that it was rusty. Real bad. And I hear rust. So, you know. But, boy, this is a lot of work, man, forget out this thing, this pipe, and goes all the way through here, come all the way through and come up. It beat my ass. Never done one of them before. So then I have to go put all of this back tomorrow. It's almost the end of the day now. Yeah, I'm out for today. It's just a lot of work, man. And I'm doing this thing on the ground too. You know. Yeah. Alright, getting out all the rust too. You know. Alright. Then I have this fender for the replace. A lot of work on this thing. But I'm gonna bring her back. I'll show you guys when I finish. Keep watching though. It's just gonna be a whole series on this car. Thanks for watching, guys. More work coming on this car, so just keep watching. Alright, thank you.